Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area, then shave the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply the gel evenly at a coin-thick layer. Provide goggles for the recipient. Select 808-755-1064nm diode laser on the screen. Settings. Select the treatment area, area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition, then tap HR. Pulse width, 40 to 50 milliseconds. Frequency, 1 to 3 Hz. Cooling level, 4-inch. The operator must wear goggles as well. Use stamping techniques across the target area, ensuring full contact between the treatment head and skin. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Scrape off the gel using the scraper and wipe away any residue with tissues.